Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson on material handling, safe operations. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. All safety begins with common sense and good judgment. The first and most basic rule of safety is respect for yourself and your coworkers. This lesson will focus on how to size up the load, how to identify special hazards, why personal protective equipment is important, certain pieces of equipment you should use the right way, pinch points, and knowing when and how to ask for help. Whether you're working in a warehouse, an office, or a plant, it is important to learn how to carry loads properly. In order to size up the load, you first need to determine if you can carry a load comfortably. Don't carry a big load alone. Get help if the load is too big or bulky for one person. Check for nails, splinters, rough strapping, and rough edges. Once you've sized up the load and have determined how to lift it properly, proceed to transport it where it needs to go. As you continue to move loads and do other tasks that you are assigned, look for special hazards. The following should be adhered to at all times. Aisles and passageways must be kept clear of obstruction. Watch for pedestrians. Materials spilled in walkways must be cleaned up immediately. When present, markings on aisles and walkways must be obeyed. Materials or equipment must be stored so that sharp projections will not interfere with walkways. Materials must be stored so adequate headroom is provided for the entire length of any aisle or walkway. Watch for trip hazards. Safe clearance must be allowed for walking in aisles where motorized.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.